Welcome to the how-to video for FireAngel's installer app, which reviews the process of testing and extracting diagnostic data from the SyncIt carbon monoxide alarm. The FA3328 carbon monoxide alarm will provide enhanced tenant protection against CO, but also provides in-depth environmental insight using temperature and humidity sensors. The FireAngel's SyncIt NFC-powered feature allows installers to check and maintain a customer's carbon monoxide alarm by quickly and silently downloading in-depth data from the device. This gives the installer and customer a unique insight into the condition within the property. In order to use the SyncIt feature and download the device data, you first need to download the FireAngel installer app from your app provider. Once downloaded and installed, open the installer app to get started. If you already have a FireAngel installer account, select Sign In and enter your details. If this is your first time downloading the app, select the Sign Up button. Swipe through the next few screens which explain the key features of the app until you get to the Register screen. Enter your email address and password featuring uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers and symbols to make it more secure. It will now ask you to check your email inbox for a verification email from FireAngel in order to activate your account. Please proceed by opening the email from the device you're using with the installer app and click the Activate Account button. Now you can return to the installer app and click Login. Enter the email address and password you created earlier to log into your new account. You now need to complete your business profile with some important details. Enter the company name, your name, and your contact details in the fields provided. After entering your company postcode, you can click on the magnifying glass next to the field to search for the address. Select the correct one, and the rest of the address fields should autofill for you. Finally, read and accept the terms and conditions and click Next. You've now successfully created your installer account and completed your profile setup. In order to simplify accessing the installer app, but also to keep your data secure, you'll now be asked to enter a 4-digit passcode. Re-enter the 4-digit code to confirm. If your device supports fingerprint or facial recognition, then you may be asked if you'd like to use this feature in order to make logging in more simple. You'll now be taken to the app's home screen. This is where you can view your customer accounts in the account manager or start scanning a device. As this is a new account, we're going to start by scanning a device. Click Start Device Scan and then place your phone closely over the alarm's test button. You may need to slowly hover your phone around the test button in order to line up the NFC chip with your phone. Once connected, your phone will vibrate to confirm the connection and the scanning process will start. It's important to keep your phone as still as possible during the scanning process. If the scan fails, you can repeat the previous steps to reconnect the NFC chip in your phone to the one in the alarm. Once the scan completes, it will say one of two things. Either the device scanned is registered to an installation address and will take you to the device account page, or the device is not registered to an installation address, as in the example in this video, in which case we'll need to add the customer's address details. Click Continue to be taken to the Account Manager screen, and then click Create a new account. Now enter the tenant's details into the boxes provided. When entering a telephone number, you may need to remove the first 0 from the number. So in this example, our customer's number starts with 0330. However, we will remove the first 0 and start with 330. Continue to add the customer details and then click the Create Account button. You'll now be asked to confirm that the customer or tenant have given you permission to store their details and data and how they can see a copy of our privacy notice. Tick the box if agreed and click Next to continue. The final step in adding the device to the customer account is to confirm whether you'd like to register the device at the address you just entered for the customer or a new address. In this scenario, the device is installed in the customer's home, so we can select Use Account Address. And that's it. You'll now have one customer in your account manager with a linked device. We can now start a device scan again, which will automatically open the customer account for that device. This is helpful when you have a number of customers in your account manager. As before, place your phone over the alarm, remembering to hold the phone still once you feel a vibration. Once the scan is complete, it will confirm that the device is registered to an existing address, and by pressing continue, it will take you straight to that device in your account manager. From here, you can perform a number of checks and tests, as well as set a location if there are a number of SyncIt alarms in the property, as well as add images of the device location and installation. In this video, we're going to show you how to create an in-depth maintenance and compliance report. There are 6 steps in this report. Click Start Test to begin downloading device data. As before, place your phone over the alarm, remembering to hold the phone still once you feel a vibration when the scan begins. Once the scan is complete, it will display a Data Downloaded Successfully message. Click Next to proceed. Now we'll test the alarm output. Place the phone over the alarm until you feel a vibration and hold still. The alarm sounder and warning light should activate to simulate a CO detection. Please take care, as this test will be loud when standing next to the alarm. The device should sound 6 cycles of 4 beeps. Once finished, tick the box to confirm the device sounded and click Next. Step 3 is to test the LED sequence on the device. Place the phone over the alarm until you feel a vibration and hold still. The alarm LEDs will flash in a pattern like this example. Tick the box to confirm the LED sequence and click Next. Now you'll need to confirm the state of the device and installation. Is the device installed correctly? Is the device in an area clear of furniture? Is the device in good condition? And finally, is the device in need of replacement? The aim is to be able to confidently tick the first 3 boxes. If you can't, then the device installation or area around the device should be rectified before continuing. And if the device needs replacing due to a failure in the previous steps, please select the box to advise a replacement is needed. Click Next to continue. Now you can confirm that you've completed all of the test steps. Click Next to complete the report. And that's it. You've now completed the maintenance and compliance report for this device. You have the option to download the report as a PDF using the button on the left, which will download to your phone's storage area. Or you can use the Share button to share using an appropriate third-party messaging app or email. Once finished, click the Finish button. You'll now be asked to confirm that you have saved or shared the report before continuing. Click OK to be taken back to the device information screen. If there are any fails within the report, please act on them to ensure the resident remains protected. To go back to your account manager, click the cross in the top left-hand corner. You can repeat the process with another device at this customer address or with a different customer. Remember, if you require any support, you can visit our website or get in touch with our customer support team. Thanks for watching.